How are you doing? How is your studies going on?
Hi Pragati, I'm doing great. I'm learning trigonometry.
Trigonometry? So boring and frustrating. Tan theta, cot theta, sin theta, oh.
Boring? Not at all. It is an interesting subject.
Is it? First of all, where do we use all this in our daily life?
Now tell me, how do you measure the height of this pole?
Simple. By climbing on it, one has to stand near the pole holding the measuring tape and another has to climb the pole. And the height is measured.
Now, do you believe me if I tell you we can measure the height of this pole without climbing it?
Are you joking or what? How is it even possible to measure the height of the pole without even climbing on it? It is impossible.
No, you are wrong. We can measure the height of this pole using trigonometry.
How?
Called climometer, and we can find the angle of elevation using this device. Now let's go 10 meter away from the pole. Using this device, see the top of the pole. Now the angle of elevation formed is 60 degree.
Now we have found the angle of elevation. What next?
This is the pole that we have visited previously, and we stood 10 meters away from the pole, and we got angle of elevation at 60 degree. So ABC is forming a right angle triangle. Right angle is B, and we are going to consider AB as x, and your height approximately 1.6 meters. So we are going to consider your height as 1.6 meter. So let us apply trigonometry here. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent. The value of theta is 60 degree, and 60 degree is equals to opposite is AB, because the angle is formed at C, and CB is adjacent, CA is hypotenuse. So tan 60 is equals to AB by CD. The value of tan 60 degree is root 3. AB we considered as x, so I am going to write x here, and this is 10 meters away, so I am going to write 10. When we cross multiply, we get the value of root 3 is 1.73 multiplied by 10 is equals to x. So we get 17.3 meters as AB height. That is x. So we will be adding the height to the height of AB. 17.3 plus 1.6, which is equals to 18.9 meter. So the approximate height of the pole is 18.9 meter. So this pole is 18.9 meter.
It's so great. Trigonometry is very fascinating subject. You have opened my eyes to it.
Using the same concept, you can find the height of buildings, mountains, and etc.
That's really cool. Trigonometry is not really boring subject anymore. Thank you.